Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, ecosystem, and the significant hurdles we're currently navigating. Our journey will explore the challenges and the exciting opportunities for innovation within this rapidly evolving landscape. So, what exactly is MCP? At its core, the Model Context Protocol acts as a crucial bridge connecting advanced AI agents like Claude and GPT to real-world services. Imagine an AI agent sending a request through the MCP protocol to an MCP server. This server then uses standard APIs to interact with various services, be it analytics, databases, cloud services, or web APIs. MCP offers standardized connections, enhances AI capabilities by allowing real-world actions, and provides secure integration to external systems. As MCP continues to evolve, we're addressing what we call Claude's paradox, the challenge of bridging LLM intelligence with practical utility. Our vision is seamless AI agent integration with real-world services. However, this new frontier presents new obstacles. We've identified two main categories of problems: those faced by MCP users and those encountered by MCP developers. Understanding and addressing these hurdles together is key to unlocking MCP's full potential. Let's first look at the challenges for MCP users. A major pain point is fragmentation. It's difficult to find high-quality MCP servers amidst a growing and scattered landscape, and assessing reputation remains challenging even with official registries. Users also face high friction during installation, often encountering complex multi-step processes that hinder adoption. Security concerns are paramount, as installing insecure MCPs poses potential vulnerabilities to user systems. Finally, there's unclear economy and payments. There's a distinct lack of robust agentic payment models, raising the question, how can agents pay for hundreds of services on behalf of users without requiring countless subscriptions? Developers building with MCP also face significant hurdles. Hosting challenges persist, particularly with stateful sessions, and ensuring resumability, despite advancements in hosting technology. There's a notable lack of sophisticated developer tooling beyond basic inspectors, which are essential for designing optimal MCPs and guaranteeing excellent agent experiences. Distribution and discovery are major problems, as getting newly built MCPs noticed by agents and users is a significant barrier. Lastly, developers need better observability and monetization paths, including To better understand the ecosystem, let's trace the user and developer interaction flow. It begins with users needing AI agents to connect with various services. This leads to the discovery phase, where finding suitable MCP servers in a fragmented landscape is a challenge. Next is installation, often a complex process with inherent security risks. Once installed, the integration happens, where the AI agent connects to services via MCP. The final hurdle in this flow is payment, with unclear agentic payment models presenting a significant issue. For every problem, there are potential solutions. Facing fragmentation, a curated marketplace could offer a quality-assured MCP directory. To overcome installation friction, a one-click install would simplify deployment. Addressing security risks calls for a standardized security framework with clear protocols. And to resolve payment complexity, a unified payment API could streamline billing systems for agentic interactions. Let's visualize the current, often painful user journey. It starts with discovery, where users search through fragmented repositories for MCP servers. Then comes evaluation, trying to assess quality without a clear reputation system. This leads to installation, navigating a complex setup. Next is configuration, manually handling security concerns. Finally, users reach integration with their AI agent, and the struggle with payment setup due to unclear billing models. From a technical perspective, the MCP ecosystem comprises several layers. At the top, we have AI agents and user interfaces, supported by payment systems. Below this lies the core MCP protocol, alongside discovery and security layers. The next level consists of MCP servers and their underlying hosting infrastructure, coupled with monitoring tools. And at the base, we find external APIs, various data sources, and the business logic that drives core functionality. Each layer presents its own set of challenges and opportunities for enhancement. Prioritizing these issues is crucial. For users, fragmentation and discovery are high-severity pain points, as is installation complexity. Security concerns and payment model confusion are also significant, falling into the medium-severity category. On the developer side, distribution and discovery, along with hosting challenges, are high severity. Limited tooling is a medium-severity issue, while monetization paths, though important, are currently lower in severity. To summarize, the top hurdles for MCP users include finding reliable MCPs, getting started with them, trusting their security, and handling payments. For developers, the major challenges revolve around keeping MCPs running effectively, building and testing them with adequate tooling, getting them noticed, and establishing clear monetization paths. These challenges, while significant, are truly opportunities for innovation. By fostering strong collaboration, embracing creative innovation, and working together to address these fundamental issues, we can unlock the MCP ecosystem's full potential. Our goal is to build a robust, secure, and truly accessible future for MCP. Thank you.